I am back at my favorite complex in North Burnaby, Braemar Gardens, and I can't wait to show you this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and a rec room, 1,800 square foot townhouse. Come on in and follow me. As you come in from the main entrance, you come into this huge living room. The living room has real hardwood floors, large double pane windows for natural light, and crown moldings throughout. Who doesn't love a beautiful kitchen? This kitchen has been updated with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and for entertainment, you're right next to your huge patio. And on the second floor, you have 3 generously sized bedrooms. The master has a full ensuite washroom and a walk-in closet. On the lower floor, you have this huge rec room with a wet bar, also a large laundry room with tons of storage, a mud room that leads right into 2-car carport, right at your doorstep. On top of the amazing features this home has to offer, it is in an unbeatable location with Lougheed Mall, Skytrain access close by, Burnaby Lake Park, Deer Lake Park, Costco, shopping, schools, and highway access. For any more information, please feel free to give me a call directly at 604-789-8202.